Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Corolla windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth. Park your Corolla on a level surface and turn off the engine. Then, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks securely in an upright position. This prepares your vehicle for a smooth and easy blade replacement process. Now, let's remove the old blades. Look for a small tab or button on the wiper blade connector where it meets the arm. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade down and off the J-hook of the wiper arm. It's crucial to hold the wiper arm firmly during this step. Never let the metal arm snap back against your windshield, as this could cause damage. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Once both new blades are attached, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring they rest properly. After installing both new blades, it's important to perform a quick check. Turn on your Corolla and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their movement to ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly. For optimal visibility and safety, it's generally recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or when you notice streaking.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.